Hey guys, where are you? BGC. First stop. First stop, yeah. Mamaya punta tayo doon.
The windy car.
With Blackie.
Wait, you can write down.
Shoo. What are you doing now?
Writing.
Writing. Saka dito, mainit. Saan dito? Mainit pa eh, no? Ay, di natin nadala yung ano. Yung panlatag. Hey, we're here. Second stop. We're here in Krispy Kreme with ano, sleeping dog, sleeping puppy in. So walang tao dito, kami lang. Konti lang tao. Yeah. Third stop. Where are we? Bus coffee. The cold one.
Not
Not the other one. Guys, fourth stop.
bubble.
Yeah, bubbles. Where? Where's the bubble?
There.
Ah, okay. Can you break the bubbles? What says that? Are you happy? Food trip ah. Food trip ate. About ano? Lucky. Lucky. There we go. L. Grace and Sassa's word. L and Sassa's word. Lucky.